everyone. In our previous lecture, we have completed rules for IUPAC nomenclature of branch or branch saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, see, this is unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkenes and alkynes. In today's session, we will see IUPAC names for simple monocyclic hydrocarbon. Okay. Now this is a hydrocarbon only, but the structure is cyclic one. Okay. So the rules will revise. First, a saturated monocyclic hydrocarbon is named by attaching prefix cyclo to the name of corresponding open chain of alkene. Okay. For example, the ring containing 4 carbon atoms. Okay. Ring containing 4 carbon atoms. So the molecule containing 4 carbon atom is butane, but we'll write cyclobutane. Okay, but it is a cyclic structure. So this is the first rule. Second, an unsaturated monocyclic hydrocarbon is named by substituting ENE or YNE for alkene and this alkyne, for ANE in the name of corresponding cycloalkane. Okay, for cyclobutene, cyclobutyne, you will write, okay, if double or triple bond is there. If side chain are present, then above discussed rule are applied. Numbering of the ring carbon is started from the side chain. Okay, so we'll give the priority to the substituent. Okay, to the side chain. If methyl, ethyl side chain is present, so we'll give the priority or lowest possible locant number will select. Okay. If alkyl groups containing greater number of carbon atoms than the ring, the compound is named as derivative of alkene. Ring is treated as a substituent. Okay, this is important. So if alkyl group, okay, the substituent which you are considering, if containing greater number, more number of carbon atom. Okay, for example, yes. This is the ring, okay, having 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3. So this is what? Cyclobutane, okay, and this one is on carbon number 1 will attach a side chain, okay, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom. So if alkyl group means this one. If alkyl group contains greater number of carbon atoms than the ring, the compound is named as derivative of alkene. Okay, so the compound and ring is treated as ring is treated as a substitute here. Okay, this one is the difference. Second is IUPAC nomenclature of compound containing one or more functional group. Okay, now we'll see the functional group. अब तक हमने हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का ही पढ़ा है. यस, नाउ विल सी द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. फर्स्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ओके, COOH. सो फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इन प्लेस ऑफ अल्केन ई को रिप्लेस करना है एंड यू विल राइट ओइक एसिड, ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, ओके, पेंटेनोइक एसिड और हेक्सेनोइक एसिड लाइक दिस. दिस वन इज ईस्टर. So you will write OATE. Okay, suffix you will write. This is chlorocarbonyl. So this is prefix. Mostly suffix are used. Yes. So COCl, acyl chloride. Y benzoyl chloride you will write. Okay, benzoyl chloride. For example, like this, if benzene ring is there. Okay, this is the benzene ring. Sorry for the structure, and this one is a acyl group attached to the benzene ring. Okay, so what you will write, this is the benzene ring and this one is acyl group. So this is benzoyl chloride. Benzene का क्या हो जाएगा? benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride. This one is the IUPAC name, or you will write suffix for the compound. Okay, Now CONH2 is amine and this is nitrile simply. This one is aldehyde. So for aldehyde suffix is Al. Butanal, propanal, pentanal. Okay. This CO is ketone for ketone. Okay. So ketone में E is replaced by ONE. Alkane का E is replaced by ONE. OH is hydroxy. So butanol, pentanol, hexanol. Okay. Now NH2 is amino, or you can say amine. So these are the prefix and suffix for the functional group. Writing while you writing a IUPAC nomenclature for the compound containing functional group, you have to add the suffix according to the priority. Okay. So if alkane parent chain will be there, so alkane is converted into acid if carboxylic functional group is present. Okay. Now next. Yes. Functional group appearing only as a prefix. This one is nitro. So nitro may, for example, if this is what CH3, CH2 and CH2. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH2. The carbon, the ring or the chain containing 3 carbon atom is propane. Okay, but on first carbon this is nitro group. Okay, this one is nitro group is present here. So nitropropane. Okay, the prefix is added here, nitro, 1 nitro or nitropropane. So the name will be nitropropane. Okay, nitropropane. Nitropropane. If we'll replace or this hydrogen or this nitro group by chlorine, Cl. So यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, chloropropane, chloropropane, bromopropane. Okay. Alkoxy group is OR. Okay, R may be methyl, ethyl, any alkyl chain. Yes. So according to group attached, you will write this name: methoxy, ethoxy, propoxy. Okay. So I will give example. CH3. This is the functionality of ether. Okay, if ether or any other substance is present, O C2H5. Okay, or you write like this: CH3O C2H5. This is ethyl and this is methyl. So you will write methoxy, methane के लिए methoxy, methoxy. Okay, oxygen and methane. Oxygen and methane is methoxy, and C2H5 is ethane. So parent hydrocarbon as it is हमको लिखना है ethane, methoxyethane. Okay. So the substituent, this is the substituent, and consider the substituent having a number of carbon less, okay, or lower number of carbon atom, containing lower number of carbon atom, or the parent hydrocarbon chain, those chain containing greater number or more number of carbon atom. Okay, ethyl में 2 carbon है, methyl में 1 carbon है. So methyl is a substituent here, and this one is parent chain containing more number of carbon atom. Okay. Now another one is IUPAC rules for naming what mono or polyfunctional compounds. The longest carbon chain containing or bearing the single or principal functional group is identified as a parent chain. Ether is named as alkoxyalkane. While naming it, the larger alkyl group is chosen as a parent chain. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि larger one is you will write as a parent chain. Okay, so the numbering of parent chain is done so as to give the lowest possible locate number to the carbon atom of this functional group. So if more than two functional groups are present, or mono or more than two functional groups are present, select first longest chain containing functional group or principal functional group. For example, carboxylic acid, you have to give priorities. Okay, so second rule, the name of the parent hydrocarbon is modified with appropriate suffix in accordance with the single or principal functional group. Yes, name is modified. Yes, parent hydrocarbon का name क्या होगा, change होगा. For example, pentane लिखना है pentanoic acid. Okay, if pentane is present. Third, name of other functional group, if any, are attached to this modified name as a prefixes. The locate number of all the functional group are indicated before corresponding suffix or prefix. Okay, the number or the position is important. You have to write the position of each functional group. The carbon atom in COR, CO and this C1 is by rule, therefore it is not mentioned in the IUPAC name. Yes. So हम इसको जो है 1 कंसिडर करते हैं. यस, अल्डिहाइड है टर्मिनल कार्बन, दिस इज 1, दिस इज आल्सो 1. कीटोन के लिए हम नंबर दे सकते हैं 2 ओन, यस 3 ओन, 4 ओन. So because it is not a terminal carbon, it is present in between the alkyl groups, and these carbons are present either left, extremely right or extremely left hand side पे structure के according. Yes, so this one तो इसको हम 1 consider करते हैं. Yes. Now next, IUPAC nomenclature for substituted benzene ring. So first we'll see mono-substituted benzene. The IUPAC names of mono-substituted benzene is obtained by placing the names of the substituent as prefix to the parent skeleton, which is benzene. Okay. Next, some mono-substituted benzene have trivial names which may show no resemblance with the name of the attached substituent group. For example, methyl benzene is known as toluene. और मोस्टली जो है मिथाइल बेंजीन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिथाइल बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा, 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम, दिस इज द बेंजीन रिंग हियर. ओके, एंड दिस बेंजीन में CH3 group is present. This is methyl benzene. The name is commonly used for this benzene is toluene. Okay, IUPAC name हम देते हैं, बट मोस्टली जो है कॉमन नेम बेंजीन के लिए एनिलीन, टोलीन, ये टोलीन है. ठीक है, दिस इज वन इज अ कॉमन नेम. एमिनो बेंजीन एज एनिलीन. तो ये नेम जो है आपको याद रखनी होंगी. व्हाट इज टोलीन, व्हाट इज एनिलीन. यस, हमेशा वो मिथाइल बेंजीन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो है वो टोलीन और एनिलीन ही देते हैं, मिथाइल बेंजीन नहीं. हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन इज अ फिनॉल. यस, सो द कॉमन नेम्स रिटन इन द ब्रैकेट आर आल्सो यूज्ड यूनिवर्सली accepted by IUPAC. So ये names जो है ये भी commonly use होते हैं. Okay, if alkyl substituent is larger than benzene ring 7 or more carbon atoms, the compound is named as phenyl substituted alkene. Okay, अभी मैंने आपको बताया रिंग में 6 कार्बन है, बट यहाँ पे if alkyl group is attached here and containing more carbon than the ring, so this ring is considered as a substituent, and for the substituent you will write phenyl. Okay, और parent के लिए last में आएगा benzene. Benzene ring can as well be considered as substituent when it is attached to an alkene with a functional group. Okay, see, this is the example. This one is a chlorobenzene. 1 chlorobenzene क्यों नहीं लिखा? Because it is understood. Okay, the position you have to give numbering from the substituent, from the carbon containing substituent. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This one is nitrobenzene, bromobenzene, tertiary butyl benzene. This is benzene. This is butyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. But what butyl? Secondary butyl, primary N-butyl. Okay, so this one is tertiary butyl. Yes, so you have to write tertiary butyl benzene. Idobenzene. This is toluene, means methyl benzene. Aminobenzene is aniline. Hydroxybenzene is phenol. These names are used commonly. Okay. Anisole is methoxybenzene. Benzene ring, oxygen atom and CH3. Benzaldehyde, benzoic acid. This is carboxylic group, COOH. This is aldehydic group, COH. Okay. Now, ये example है. This example containing alkyl group having or alkyl group containing more number of carbon atom than the benzene ring. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon, and benzene containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of carbon atoms 6 in the benzene. Yes. So this, in this example, we will consider this benzene as a substituent, and the name of the substituent for benzene is phenyl. Yes. So give the numbering. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. यहाँ से क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट किया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? बिकॉज ये सब्सटीट्यूएंट किस पे आ रहा था फिर 6 पे. ओके, इफ वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड. If we are starting from left hand side, the second number containing the substituent. Okay, so priority you have to give this carbon atom. Okay, so on the second carbon, which ring is present? Benzene. For benzene, for prefix of benzene is to phenyl. Position dash phenyl heptane. No space in between the name and the alphabet, and the position is separated by this hyphen. Yes, easy है. This is hexyl benzene. Total number are same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexyl benzene. Okay, and hexyl benzene. This is functional group in the ring. अब functional group को हमको priority देनी है, and benzene को हम क्या, benzene को as a substituent consider करेंगे. ये भी rule हमने देखा है. Okay, so first carbon पे chlorine present है, so you will write 1 chloro 3 phenyl propane. Okay, 1 chloro. So this is the parent hydrocarbon chain. On carbon number first there is a chloro group, and on carbon number 3 there is a phenyl ring. Although the benzene ring containing more number of carbon atom, but this chain having a functional group, so we'll give the priority to the functional group, not the benzene, not to the benzene ring. Understood? So you will write 1 chloro 3 phenyl propane. Okay, see, it is also containing a functional group, CH2OH. So and this one is the substituent, phenyl methanol. Okay, 1 phenyl ethanol, 1 phenyl ethanol. This one is substituent, and this is this what come on, ketone. Okay, separated by these two alkyl group, carbonyl carbon, sorry. This is disubstituted benzene derivatives. देखो यहाँ पे भी रूल सेम ही है. नाउ पोजीशन आपको याद रखना है, 3 पोजीशन है, ऑर्थो मेटा एंड पैरा. ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा. सो पोजीशन नंबर 1 and 4 is para. Okay, position number 2 and 6 is what come on, ortho. 2,6 is ortho, and position 3 and 5 is meta. ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा किसको बोलेंगे आप, ये याद रखना है. ओके, 1 and 4 is para. The common name of 3 possible isomer disubstituted benzene derivatives are given using one of the prefix ortho meta para. IUPAC names however uses numbering instead of prefix of ortho meta or para. IUPAC name में ortho meta para use नहीं करेंगे, numbers use करेंगे. Okay, if two substituents are different, then they enter in alphabetical order. If one of the two groups gives spatial name to the molecule, then the compound is named as derivative of spatial compound. Okay, first one example is orthodichlorobenzene. Okay, This one is orthodichlorobenzene. So you can start numbering from this side. 1 2, दोनों पे 2 आ रहा है. ओके, सो 1,2 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन, 1,3 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन, 1,4 डाई 1 ब्रोमो 4 आयोडोबेंजीन. ओके, 1 क्लोरो 3 नाइट्रोबेंजीन. ये सब अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लिखना है. ये रूल्स हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके, 1,4 dichlorobenzene, 2 chloroaniline. This one is 2 chloroaniline. This is the functional group. Okay, 3 nitrotoluene, 3 nitrotoluene. Now try substituted benzene derivative. Monosubstituted, disubstituted, now trisubstituted. So trisubstituted benzene derivatives, if more than 2 substituents are attached to the benzene ring, numbers are used to indicate their relative position following the alphabetical order. And same rule है. Okay, alphabetical order से लिखना है. Lowest locant rule. In some cases, common name of benzene derivative is taken as the parent compound. For example, toluene, aniline, phenol. Okay, इस तरह से. So first example is 1,2,4 tribromobenzene. 3 bromo groups है present on the benzene ring. So you will write 1,2,4. If you will start numbering from this side, okay, which bromine you have to give number 1. So I will give this carbon as a 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. See, 1 इधर आ रहा है 1, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 4, 5 tribromobenzene. So this one is wrong. Why? This is not the lowest locant position. This one is not the lowest locant numbers. Okay, or lowest position numbers. This is the lowest number. 1, 2, 4. सब में lowest है. So you have to look for lowest locant numbers. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. नाइट्रो से स्टार्ट 1, 2, 3, 4 अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे. ट्राई ब्रोमो क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे? 3 ब्रोमो है. सो यू राइट ट्राई. ओके, फॉर 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. This is 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. Okay, so the priority table is there. Okay, which if 2 functional group are present, so which functional group gives, you have to give number 1. Okay, the lowest number. This is decided. Okay, the priority table I will give you in the next session. So 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. Okay, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन भी है, नाइट्रो ग्रुप भी है. तो किसको आप नंबर 1 करेंगे? Which functional group is contain lowest locant number? So this is 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. This one is 2 chloro 4 nitrophenol. So phenol is the common name. Yes, phenol is what? Common name. Okay, for hydroxybenzene. So this is 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. Lowest locant number के rule से you have to follow. Okay. So in our next session we will start with isomerism. Okay, this is also very important and theoretical, not theoretical concept. This is a what come on imagination based concept. Okay, you have to imagine the molecule in 3D structure. 3D way में हो सकता है, 2D के structure से structural isomerism. Okay, conformation, configuration is there. So this is all this work. So this is also an important topic. Okay, so today we have completed with IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, for cyclo monocyclofunctional group, polyfunctional group, benzene ring having functional group, and yes, compound containing one or more functional group, monocyclic hydrocarbon, and that's it. Okay, so for remembering the rules for IUPAC nomenclature, please solve examples, okay, different example from the textbook or from any book, practice book. So you have to remember all these rules, okay, और ये रूल्स कब याद रहेंगे आपको, जब एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे आप. यस, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.